For those of you watching this special council meeting online, I want to begin by thanking you. You are practicing social distancing. You are doing your part. Today I speak directly to the people of Vaughan from council chambers. I want to use this opportunity to reinforce the ongoing actions that have been taken by the city in the face of the current challenges presented by COVID-19. These are times of uncertainty, but what is certain is that we will emerge stronger. I know that for many people this issue has hit close to home. All people of all nations navigating through these uncharted waters are in our thoughts and prayers. To all citizens, rest assured, from the moment the COVID-19 challenge first emerged, I've been working closely with all levels of government to monitor the situation and to ensure we have meaningful action to protect citizens, businesses, and our city employees. Our administration has also been responding to this situation as it evolves. The Emergency Operations Center has been monitoring the spread of this virus since the end of January. On February 1st, they moved into an enhanced monitoring phase, and on March 13, there was partial activation of the city's emergency management team members. Earlier today, I once again met with this team and the Joint Operations Center to discuss the city's response efforts to COVID-19. We are working around the clock to implement measures that ensure the well-being of our community. This remains our singular priority, the health and safety of you and your loved ones. Based on the advice and the recommendation made by the emergency management team, I have formally declared a state of emergency in the city of Vaughan. A declaration of emergency is determined based on an assessment of the situational impacts of the community and our operations to provide critical services to our citizens. Today's decisions follows the Ontario government's announcement that a province-wide state of emergency is now in place. This declaration recognizes the long-term challenges COVID-19 presents and the need for ongoing and a comprehensive response. Council is equally concerned about the health of our local economy. I want to thank Council for passing a new set of measures that make up the new Vaughan Business Action Plan. For weeks, Council has been communicating our response efforts with their constituents. The Vaughan Business Council Plan consists of 5 temporary key measures to safeguard the local economy and protect businesses, consumers, and all citizens. They seek to do the following. First, support the restocking of store shelves by suspending noise bylaws and weight restriction on roads to assist with ensuring stores have items people need. Second, enhance the movement of goods by suspending bylaws restricting the loading and unloading of commercial vehicles, transport trucks, and other vehicles between the hours of 7 p.m. and 7 a.m. This will allow for 24-hour delivery. Third, improve business ground transportation by suspending the weight and size of vehicles that can travel on certain roads throughout the city of Vaughan. This will help ensure the sufficient, safe supply of goods to stores. Fourth, suspend the municipal accommodation tax to support the travel and tourism industry by not requiring accommodation providers to charge this tax on Vaughan properties. Fifth, maintain small business services by ensuring, where possible, small business and entrepreneurship frontline services are continued either online or by phone. The City of Vaughan supports the Ontario government's recent directive on the closure of private schools, churches, and faith-based setting, licensed childcare centers, and bars and restaurants, except for those that can offer takeout or delivery. This move by the province builds on what we have been already doing in the City of Vaughan. Last week, Vaughan closed its community centers and library branches. In anticipation of March break, city and library March break camps and daycare programming were also canceled to ensure the safety of the public. As a result, we continue to implement precautionary measures to ensure public safety. I'm announcing that effective tomorrow, Wednesday, March 18th at 8:30 a.m. Vaughan City Hall and all other city facilities will close to the public until Monday, April 6th. This is the latest move taken by the city to break the chain of transmission of this global pandemic. We are supporting our employees by encouraging those who can work remotely to do so. This will ensure people are safe and that city business can, in fact, continue. This also is a time when communications is and continues to be of utmost importance. The city has been working with its partners from all those levels of government and the media to ensure citizens and staff have the information they need. Please take time to be informed about how to keep yourself and your family safe and healthy by visiting York Region's website at york.ca/COVID-19. The latest information on city cancellation, postponements, and disruptions is available on our website at vaughan.ca. You can also follow our Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn sites for current updates. I want to reassure the people of Vaughan that by taking the proper precautions, we can help stop spread the germs and keep ourselves and our loved ones safe. It is incumbent upon all of us to take steps and make changes for the collective good. Wash your hands, often with soap and water, or alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Sneeze and cough into your sleeve. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. Avoid contact with people who are sick, and stay home if you're feeling ill. Increase cleaning and disinfection of eye-touch surfaces using regular household cleaners. As one of the safest communities in Canada, Vaughan is committed to being prepared to respond to all possible situations. I want to thank Council, I want to thank staff, I want to thank our citizens, as well as our first responders for their swift, efficient, and coordinated efforts to keep our community safe. Thank you.